Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decor Inspo. Are you looking to upgrade your wall with something stylish and useful? In this video, we are sharing our 70 plus creative wooden wall shelf mount ideas to inspire your space. From modern to rustic, minimal to bold, there's something for everyone. Simple and modern design. Let's start with simple and modern design. Think clean lines, floating shelves, and light wood tones. These shelves are perfect for living rooms, bedroom, and even bathroom. You can use them to display books, small plants, or decor pieces, mount them in rows, stagers, or as single floating units. Rustic and farmhouse styles love a cozy rustic feel. Wooden shelf with a raw wood finish or recline wood give that warm harmful vibe. Pair them with black metal bracket or rope hanger for a vintage look. These go great in kitchen entryways or over fireplaces. Creative and unique shapes. Now for some fun and creative shapes, try hexagon shelves for a honeycomb look, or triangle and diamond shapes for a geometric touch. These stand out and a modern edge to any wall, perfect for kids' room, art spaces, or small nooks. Multi-tier and corner shelves need more storage. Go for multi to tire shelves, staked or ladder style design. Give you more space to work with. Corner shelves are also great for saving space, stylish and smart. These are great for bedrooms, offices, and small apartment decor ideas and stylish tips. It's not just about the shelves, it's about how you style it. Use plants, candles, books, or framed art. Mixed height and textures for a more dynamic look. And don't forget LED strips and small lamps can make shelves pops. With so many ideas, the hardest part is choosing just one, whether you build it yourself or buy ready made. Wooden shelves are an easy way to transform your space. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home inspirations. Thank you. Bye bye.